Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The 12 Dancing Princesses. There was once a king who had 12 beautiful daughters. They all slept together in one huge room, and every night, as soon as they were tucked up in bed, the king locked their door with a big golden key. Each morning, he would unlock the door, and there, beside their beds, were their dancing sleepers, all danced to rugs and tatters. The king had no idea how this could happen, and he grew more and more worried as he saw his beautiful daughters became pale, worn out, and thinner every day. So the king let it be known that if anyone could find where his daughters went each night, he would reward him. First, by letting him marry the princess of his choice, and then by crowning him king. Many young princes came to try their luck. They would eat their dinner with the princesses, and then be taken to a room next to the princess's bedroom so that they could keep watch and find out where the 12 princesses went to dance their shoes to rags and tatters. But none of these young men had any luck. No sooner did they go to the room than they fell fast asleep. And when they awoke in the morning, the princesses were back in their beds, pale and worn out, with their shoes danced to rags and tatters. The king became more and more worried. One day, as a poor young man called Tom was walking towards the king's castle, he met an old woman. When she asked him where he was going, Tom said that he would not mind finding out where the 12 princesses went to dance, so that he could become king. The old woman smiled kindly at Tom. "Here is a gift for you," she said. "Put on this cloak which will make you invisible. Then you can follow the 12 princesses to where they dance their shoes to rugs and tatters. But be sure not to drink the wine set out for you when you go to your room, for it will send you into a deep sleep." Tom arrived at the palace and was made as welcome as all the princes had been. He dined with the 12 beautiful princesses and then was taken to his room. When no one was looking, he tipped away his wine and lay down and snored as if he were sound asleep. As soon as the princesses heard his snores, they slipped on their shoes and tapped once on the eldest princess' bed. At once, it sank through the floor, and beneath it was a flight of stairs. Down they all went, one after the other. Immediately, Tom put on his cloak and crept after them. Halfway down the stairs, he trod on the hem of the youngest princess' frock. "Who's pulling my dress?" she cried. "Silly," said her eldest sister. "You've just got it on a nail." At the bottom of the stair was a beautiful avenue of silver trees. The leaves tinkled in the breeze, and Tom snapped off the leaf and hid it in his pocket. "What's that noise?" cried the youngest princess. "It's fireworks," said her eldest sister, "to welcome us to dance." They came to a second avenue where all the trees were gold, and a third where they were all diamonds. In both avenues, Tom broke off a leaf and hid it in his pocket. Each time the youngest princess gasped, "What's that noise?" And each time her eldest sister replied, "It's only fireworks, silly." Next, they came to a vast lake with a beautiful castle in the middle. The 12 princesses climbed into the 12 little boats lit with lanterns and sailed across the lake. Tom hopped into the youngest princess' boat. "My boat is going slower than all of yours," she cried to her sisters. "There must be a big old fish hanging on behind," laughed her eldest sister. When they arrived at the castle, music filled the air. The princesses could not resist the bewitching sound, and their feet began to dance. They danced faster and faster until they stumbled, exhausted, with their shoes danced to rugs and tatters, back across the lake and up the secret stairs to their bedroom. Tom ran ahead of them, up the steps, and jumped into his bed and started snoring loudly. You see, said the eldest princess, nothing to worry about. He's fast asleep. The next morning, the king called Tom to him and asked him a question. Young man, where do my 12 beautiful daughters go to at night and dance their shoes to rags and tatters? Tom answered, they go down avenues of silver, gold, and diamonds, to a lake which they sail across, to a castle where they dance until they drop with explosion. And he pulled the silver, gold, and diamond leaves from his pocket to prove it. And with that, the spell was broken, and the 12 princesses soon became strong and healthy again. And Tom, he married the youngest princess and became a good and wise king.